How to claim live rewards on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily get your live rewards on TikTok. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application and make sure you are logged into your account, and just tap on this profile section at the bottom right corner, and then just click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner, and then you will be seeing this option called balance. So just tap on it and it might show you a little bit of pop-up. So if it shows you, just click on next and open. So once you are on this screen, you just have to click on this live rewards option. You may as well get a few rewards by TikTok, so you can also grab it. So just now tap on this live rewards option. So in my section it is 0 because I haven't received any live rewards. So in your case, if you have received your live rewards, it will be shown over here, and then only you will be validated to withdraw that particular option. So you just have to click on this withdraw option, and you will be successfully able to claim your live rewards on TikTok by providing and following the on-screen instructions for your payout. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.